we are with you with the pink Barbie makeup. Okay, first we apply a little concealer to the back of the eyes and blend it out with a blender. And blend, blend, blend. We dry the concealer using fix powder and a brush. Be careful not to rotate the brush on the concealer. And tap, tap, tap. And we start with the James Charles Morphe eyeshadow palette and the brush that you see in the movie. We add pink color under the eyes and continue it up to a 45-degree angle. With another brush, we fade it to the back of the eyelid. And we add the darker pink to the back of the eyelid and fade it. And with a smaller brush and the previous color, we paint under the eyes. And with a diagonal brush and dark pink, we line the corner of eye. And with a lighter pink, we paint the front of the eyes. And with a larger brush, we blend all the color together. And we use Forever 52 gloss for the back of the eyelid. And with a large brush, we spread the gloss on the back of our eyelid. And we clean around the shadow. And using the highlighter palette, we highlight the front of the eyes and under the eyebrows. Using a Kiko pencil, we lighten the inside of the eye. Using a small brush and eyeliner, we draw eyeliner on parts of our eyes like in the film. And again we lighten the inside of the eye with Kiko pencil. And by using mascara, we make our eyelashes blacker and thicker. And we brush our eyelashes. Well, now using eyelash and glue, we put the eyelash in their proper place like in the film. And fix the eyelash with my eyelash. To learn more makeup, subscribe to our channel, and if you like our video, like it please. This is from a stylish Barbie makeup that is very trend. Thank you for being with us so far. Hope to see you soon.